Types of exponential functions. Now, you might have seen the stock prices going up. And like I also saw, we also saw the grain of rice was going up. We also see the COVID numbers are going up. If you have a certain material which decays itself, if you have a certain material which decays itself after every 1 month or 1 year or one day, we call this as half-life. Half-life is the amount in which some material remains half of itself. Now, just like we have exponential rise functions, or in other words, you can say exponential growth functions, similarly, we also have exponential decay functions. The functions which come down exponentially, like the one you have on your screen, this function is coming down exponentially. This is called an exponential decay function. And the functions which exponentially rise are called exponentially growth functions. Examples of exponential growth functions are, some stocks, the COVID numbers. Everybody was talking about on the news that the numbers are increasing exponentially. These are the COVID numbers, also they increase exponentially. And there are various other things. For example, our example, we saw about the chessboard. So these are exponential growth functions. Then we also have some exponential decay functions. For example, let's say you have a certain material, which is a radioactive material. If you have studied physics in high school, you might have read about radioactive compounds. Now, what radioactive compounds are? They decay themselves. So let's say you have 100 gram of radioactive compound. After 1 day, it would be 50 gram. After 2 days, it's going to be 25, then 12.5, 6.25. It's decreasing to half of the original amount every day. These are called exponential decay functions. If everything is clear so far, then I have a quick set of questions for you. Okay, this is -3 raised to the power 5.
That's A.
Helen? That was Helen?
Yes.
All right, very good, Helen. The right answer is A part. Good. So -3 raised to the power 5 is negative another 60 seconds. And if you really look at the options, you really don't need a calculator in this. This is -2 raised to the power -5. Just try to break down this problem. You will get it in 10 seconds. Just look at the options.
B.
B. I think that's incorrect.
B or A.
It should be A.
Exponent is odd, so
Odd.
that's why.
Yes. Very good, Sanat. Because the exponent is odd, that is why it's going to have -2 into -2, -2, -2, -2, 5 times. That means the final result has to be negative. If I look at all the options, all 3 of them are positive. Only this one is negative. We really don't need all this calculation. We just have to see why negative. Next one. Okay. -5 raised to the power -3.
C.
I don't think so.
D.
I think yes, D for dog is the right answer. Let's try this, because whatever the final answer has to be, the final answer is going to be a negative number. So this is going to be 1 divided by -125.